Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So while other people are being distracted by meme file listing, allocation and all that, let's talk about a potential airdrop which could actually change our life in the future. Alright, so we are going to be talking about Galxe Quest on this video. What I'm going to be making this video very short and precise so that you can be able to continue with your scrolling and all that. So right now, let's get started. So if you have been in the crypto space for a while, you must have came across this quest in one way or the other, because Galxe Quest is like a website that reward users and connect users to brand, and those users get rewarded based on their activity and the interaction with those brands. So if you look over here right now, you can see that they are very legit. They have their golden check mark. So guys, so when you click right here right now, you can see that they are being followed by a whole lot of fully trusted projects. And right now, let's scroll down, and what actually prompted me to make this video is because of the Telegram airdrop which they actually launched. I'm not going to be saying that the airdrop is going to be the most rewarding, but in one way or the other, I believe that they are going to be doing good because of their past records. So if you know Galxe Quest very well, you should understand that this project is so amazing, and if you are missing out on it, then you are doing that on your own. So let me not be talking much on this video. Let me go straight into the business of the day and teach you how you can actually get started and how you can be able to get the most out of this. So what you need to do right now to actually get started is simply go below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing the video description. Click on the video description and you are going to be seeing the link to this airdrop. All right, so what I need you to do is simply, once you click on the link, this is going to be asking you to open this Galxe app. So you go ahead and click on start. Okay, once the app opens up, you are going to be greeted with 20 GG right here. So this GG is like the token or the point that you're actually earning. There are a couple of other things which you can actually do to actually earn so much from this airdrop. So this is just coupled with some couple of tasks, like you don't need to tap, you don't need to do anything. You simply need to complete as many tasks as you can so that you'll be in the best position to actually earn so much from this airdrop. Remember, because this project is just 1 day old or probably 2, you are among the pioneer members and you are entitled to get bigger reward in the future for being a pioneer member, understand? And those people that are busy making noise concerning MiFi, I'm sure they haven't come across this, but thank God that you are here today. So let's now continue. So over here, the first thing that you actually need to do for you to enter is simply connect your EVM wallet. So this is called EVM, simply stand for Ethereum Virtual Machine, you understand? So you can simply connect any Ethereum based wallet right here, and once you connect it, you are going to be getting 50 GG. And of course, if you visit Galxe Quest, you are going to be getting 20 GG. And over here, you can do daily checking. You know how daily checking works. Daily checking simply marks how punctual or perpetual that you log into this app according to within each 24 hours, you understand? So when you click over here right now on check-in, it is going to load up, and obviously you can see I just got 1 GG. And remember, the more that you do it, the bigger the reward, you understand? So right now you can come down right here. There are a whole lot of tasks right here, but these tasks right here will not take you more than 1 hour to complete. But remember, when you complete it, you are minimized ahead of those people that are going to be doing it later, you understand? You can just create out time and do complete all this airdrop and be on the best position, you understand? So all these things are so simple. If you have any question, let me know on the comment section and I will attend to you as soon as possible. So right now we also have what we call lucky spin right here. Once I click on lucky spin, this is going to be taking me to the section where I can spin this right now, and I'm going to be getting randomly a certain mystery boxes which will reveal to me something special, you understand? But before you can be able to do this, you need 99 GG right here. Before you can be able to do it, each spin will cost you 99 GG. So you simply need to go back right now and of course complete most of these tasks to actually earn yourself the GG that you are going to be using to complete this task. For example, if you should complete this one, the first one and the second one, couple it with the 20 G that you are going to be given as a welcome bonus, then you see that you are going to be able to get this draw right now. And if you are lucky enough to get something bigger, like maybe 300 or something, then you know that you are on your way to greatness already. Let's now talk about some other things. So when you click over here right now on friend, over here on the friend section, this is obviously where you invite people. You can see that I've successfully invited 4 people to get 200 GG, and of course I have a total of just 41 invites. I pray that I'm going to be getting more invites, so do not forget to use my own link right there on the video description box. Okay, so right now I will click on claim to claim claim the reward that I've got so far, and I will claim it again. I will keep on claiming it according to the number of people that I have actually invited. So this is so simple. Right now, let me go back to my dashboard and see what I have actually got. Okay, so right now that I have got enough GG, let's now go and try out the spin right now. So when we click on the spin right now, you can see that I can now play it. Okay, so remember that each skin is each spin is actually going to be costing you 99 GG. GG is like a ticket for you to spin, not the actual token that's going to determine your airdrop actually. So now when I click on go right now, this spin is going to be rolling up real quick, and I'm going to be getting a certain box right here. You can see I got extra 50 GG, so that's fair enough. Then I will click it again. I want to be getting this G. Let's find out together what this G actually stand for. Okay, so right now let me now try it again until I get G. All right, until I get G, I want to know what the G actually stand for right there. Okay, so I will keep on doing it until I get G, guys. Let me fast forward the video. Okay guys, so right now I have been able to get 1G, all right, though I have got many as well. So right now I will click on claim. So when you come over here to my reward, you are going to be seeing that this G that you're actually getting from here actually holds value. Okay, so you can see that this GG is actually your ticket to spin, you understand, and this G right now is like the main token that is going to be airdropped later. So let's try out the withdrawal. Let's see what we're going to have right here. So when you click on withdraw, you can see that you need to input the amount of G that you want to withdraw, and you can as well click on the over here to actually input your withdrawal address. It is so simple like this, guys. So this is all you need to know right now. I'm going to be making later videos showing how I was able to withdraw this, and also where you can actually be able to sell your token, guys. So it is very, very simple. And right now let's go back and of course talk about how you can be able to earn more points right there. Okay, you can see right now, because of the people that I've referred, I've been able to get up to 621 GG, and I haven't even done claiming my referral reward yet. So make sure to use my referral link right there. This will not affect the amount of token that you're going to earn. Okay, so when you click right now to your profile, let me show you guys some stuff right here. Over here on your profile, this is obviously where you get your referral link, and of course you can do some tasks right here to actually get additional reward. Okay, so it is so simple as that, guys. You know, pass like this, guys. So remember to join us on Telegram, because on Telegram is where we actually give you guys updates back to back concerning crypto, concerning any project. If you join any project, you need a source where you're going to be getting daily information concerning the project, so that you won't miss out on any important activity. So you know, pass like this, guys. So if you have any question, let me know, and please, I beg you in the name of the God, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is so important to me, and it makes me more it keeps me motivated to make more videos that's going to be helping all of us make more money in the crypto space. Thank you, guys. You know, pass like this, guys. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget, 2 people from the comment section are going to be getting free ton. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon as I have a new update to share with you guys.